So welcome guys to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in your trade account terminal into your MT4. So this is our trade account and we have the trade account information. So how do we log this trade account information into our MT4 so that we can start trading and start making profits from this trade account? Now the next is for us to minimize and launch our MT4 app. So in my phone menu, you can see my MT4 app located here. I also have the MT5, but the trade account details is for MT4. Now you can confirm that by looking at the trade account platform. So when creating the trade account, or you can also come here to confirm the trade account platform where you should log in this trade account number. So you can see there MT4 login. So if you log this into the MT5, it's not going to work because it is to be logged into the MT4. All right, so let's launch the MT4. So I click on the MT4. You see, this is my MT4 already, and you have various trade accounts, both real and some demo. All right, now let's log in that very trade account. Let's begin with the live account. So I click on this plus menu. You'll see this plus menu somewhere here. So I have to click on that plus menu and you see open a demo account and log into an existing account. Since we have already created this account, we have to click on login to an existing account. So we'll click on it. Now, what accounts are we logging in? Well, our account is a live account, so we are looking for a server. Now, we must put in the correct server. So we are looking for SNES 320. There is no need for me to copy. All I need to do is I have to search, but I can copy this trade account number so I don't have to come back to this place. All right, so I'm copying this. All right, I've copied that, so we'll move back to SNES. So I type SNES. So I'm looking for SNES 320. So I click on SNES 320. So for login, I paste my login number. Then for password, I have to input the password I created while creating this trade account like I did in the previous video. All right, so the password is trader12. So I have to check this point so that I don't have to be repeating this password over and over again. So after after imputing this password, even if I should switch to other trade account, I don't have to go through this process. I just have to open the account and just click sign in. All right, so I'm clicking sign in right now. So when we sign in, we allow the account to be prepared on the MT4 platform. Very good. So you can see the account has been logged in. It has not been funded yet. So with this now, if once the account is funded from the SNES platform, I can start taking trade from this SNES account that I have logged into my MT4. So whatever I do now is to be reflected on this very account that I have created. All right, let's also proceed to logging in our demo account. Let's get our demo details ready. So we switch to demo and then we go on account information. So we click on account information. So our demo server is not SNES 320, it's SNES Trial 11. All right, so we don't need to copy that. We just copy our login number, still MT4. So we switch back to our MT4. We look at this icon somewhere here at the top left. So we click on it and then we click on manage account and we click on the plus button again. So we click on it and then we'll see login to an existing account. So we click login to an existing account and then we look for SNES Trial 11. So let's type that. So we search for SNES Trial 11. Patiently, if I select anything other than SNES Trial 11, it will fail, it will not go through. All right, so We come here, we paste our login number that I've copied, and then we also input the password. All of these details must be correct for it to go through. So the same thing, we allow this to be checked so that we don't have to do this over and over again. So we click sign in. So we allow it to be prepared. So as you see, guys, it has been logged into our MT4. So you see we have $100 in our trade account. So as you can see, we can start executing trade from this account. So we've successfully logged in our trade terminal into the MT4. The next will be, how do we use the MT4 to open trade position, close trade position, add or take profits, put our stop losses, and also be able to make analysis using the MT4. I'm going to be showing you that in the next video I'll be making. The next video will be how to use the MT4 professionally, and that will be by extension how to use the MT5. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.